What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best travel cameras in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether its prices perform in sorts particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In the realm of compact travel cameras, Sony RX100 VII stands out as the superior choice for 2023. This model retains the valuable features of its predecessor, the Sony RX100 VI, such as the 2.4-to-00mm effective focal length and adjustable touchscreen. However, it also brings fresh elements to the table, including a new 20.1 megapixel, 1-inch Type more OSMOS sensor, Sony's Beans X processor, an enhanced AF system, and a 3.5mm microphone jack. The RX100 VII is crafted 20 million pixel stacked CMO, a sensor that delivers a sensitivity range ISO 100 to 128. It maintains the same 2.4-to-00mm equivalent 2.8 to 4.5 zoom lens as its predecessor, along with the unchanged pop-up viewfinder and touchscreen. The continuous shooting rate has been slightly reduced to a still impressive 20 fps. The defining feature of the RX100 VII is the integration of Sony's latest IONS X processor with a next-gen sensor. This accommodation results in significant enhancements to the hybrid AF system. It now merges 357 on-chip phase detection covering points, 68% of the frame, with 425 contrast detection area. Sony asserts that this is decreased AF acquisition time from 0.03 seconds to 0.02 seconds. It should enhance the capture of fast-moving subjects. Furthermore, the RX100 VII introduces this shooting feature, which captures 7 frames in rapid succession with just one shutter button press at 90 fps, 60 fps, or 30 fps. This enables you to select a perfect moment from the burst. An intervalometer function for time-lapse recording is another welcome addition. The RX100 VII not disappoint in terms of video capabilities. Can record for 3840 by 2160 footage with full pixel readout, delivering detailed footage without cropping the field of view. Built-in Wi-Fi allows connection to your smartphone via this Sony Imaging Edge mobile app, offering remote control of the camera with live view and the ability to modify most camera settings. Thumbs up, that's for sure. As we proceed with our reviews, we present the Nikon Z, a leading contender for the most stylish travel camera available in 2023. This camera's design harks back to an era of film cameras recording a retro exterior reminiscent of a classic 70 seconds Shutterbug magazine. Despite its vintage aesthetics, the Nikon Z is a modern marvel equipped with a DDEX APC digital and sensor compatible with Nikon Z mirrorless lenses. Z is an ideal for creators drawn to its distinctive style, or those seeking a compact device for landscape or documentary photography. It may not be the best fit for larger lenses or capturing fast-moving subjects, but it shines in its designated niche. This model replaces the traditional 135 with an APS digital sensor and swaps the optical viewfinder for an electronic one. However, it retains some nostalgic elements, such as multicolored markings on the shutter and dial, a small LCD that displays the f-stop, where the frame counter would typically be located. Z comes exclusively in silver. Nikon offers the option to customize it with various colored skins. The construction blends high-quality plastics and metals, resulting in a robust camera resistant to dust and splashes. Although it doesn't have a listed IP rating, it's safe to say it's not designed for underwater use. Bearing with this Z are the compact 28mm f2.8 and 16 to 50mm lenses. The camera itself measures 3.7 by 5.3 by 1.8 inches and weighs 13.8 ounces. It's not the smallest mirrorless camera on the market, but its slightly boxy feel contributes to its unique charm. Harking back to the flat front popular in the 70s, bloggers will find the Nikon Z particularly appealing. For UHD video recording, boasts a tilting, vari-angle LCD it offers screen full-time with eye detection. Other features include a built-in stereo microphone, an external microphone and jack, compatibility with live streaming and web conferencing. The variable angle screen can be adjusted to face forward, activating self-portrait mode and bringing key camera controls to the monitor. Easy touch and tap settings overall. The Nikon Z is a remarkable blend of vintage and modern technology. Introducing the Sony Alpha 7C, the top contender for the best full-frame travel camera of 2023. This compact yet powerful device is a part of Sony's Alpha series and offers a plethora of features to enhance your photography experience. The Alpha 7C interchangeable lens camera LLC that continues Sony's tradition of delivering performance, the cornerstone of any camera purchase. The image quality it offers, and the Alpha 7C does not disappoint. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame XMAR RBAC illuminated CMOS sensor and Biance image processor, this camera promises up to 15 stops of dynamic range. Although its sensor may be considered low resolution, among full-frame sensors, the 24.2 megapixel resolution is more than adequate photography requirements. The full-frame sensor sensor captures an ample amount of light, ensuring minimal noise even at high ISO ratings. One striking feature of the Alpha 7C is its real-time AF tracking. This advanced feature uses AI to continuously track moving subjects while capturing photos or videos, and we found it works remarkably well. Additionally, the real-time AF utilizes to detect and process data in real time, resulting in impressively accurate subject tracking. The camera's advanced AI technology also enables fast, precise automatic detection and tracking of animal eyes, a feature that leaves no room for criticism. The facial recognition mode of this Alpha 7C works flawlessly, adding to its appeal. Camera comes with 5-axis embodied image stabilization, allowing you to capture stills and videos without worrying about camera shape. This feature works irrespective of the lens attached and eliminates the need for tripod or gimbal, a detail much appreciated by users. Despite its compact size, the Alpha 7C houses a high-capacity NPFZ100 battery, offering an industry-leading 740 on a full charge when using LCD monitor. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers who are always on the move. Moreover, the Alpha 7C offers a silent shooting mode, making it a perfect choice for quiet events or wildlife photography. The convenience of this portable means camera it's more likely accompany to your travels, leading to capturing more memories. The image quality it offers surpasses that any smartphone, making it a highly recommended product for any photography enthusiast. Continuing our review series, we present the GoPro Hero 11 Black, lauded as the premier action travel camera of 2023. This latest addition to the Hero series builds upon its predecessors, combining familiar elements with a host of exciting new features. First glance, the Hero 11 Black seems remarkably similar to its forerunners, the Hero 9 and 10, maintaining the same exterior design, save for the bold 11 emblazoned on its side. This consistency proves beneficial for long-standing GoPro enthusiasts. Its existing accessories remain compatible with this model. Among the new offerings, the most significant enhanced sensor. The Hero 11 boasts Black, a taller sensor, optimized for vertical videos, much appreciated for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera's improved photo capture capacity, which is increased from 23 megapixels to 27. Slow motion has also been upgraded, now supporting 4000 upscaling. Another noteworthy upgrade is the more robust, weather-resistant battery. The Hero series has previously criticism for its unpredictable battery life, making this improvement particularly welcome. GoPro's easy control simplify initial providing preset profiles with optimized settings for specific shooting goals. Users can select extended battery, highest quality, or longest battery profiles depending on their preferences. This user-friendly feature is ideal for digital creators transitioning from smartphone action camera usage. Advanced users access controls by swiping while down. Additional recording settings are available through the Quick app. This app also enables quick editing, frame extraction, and content sharing. New to the Hero 11 Black, several innovative camera modes and features. Per view mode, working with a taller sensor, stretches captured to fit a 69 frame, ideal for platforms like YouTube content creators who also enjoy time-lapse effects, adding creative versatility to the repertoire. As we reach the pinnacle of our list, we introduce the camera that earned the title best of overall camera of 2023, the Olympus OM-DM10 Mark IV. This compact yet powerful device strikes balance between user-friendly functionality, top-tier quality, and an intuitive interface that is especially welcoming to beginners. The EM10 Mark comes with several significant upgrades, including an enhanced autofocus system and an upgraded sensor. These features ensure the camera remains relative in rapidly evolving photography landscape and delivers superior image quality for those seeking a straightforward everyday setup. Despite its small size, this model from Olympus surprisingly comfortable ergonomics. Its compact form nearly fits your hand, yet it possesses a solid, substantial thanks feel to a well-designed grip right on side, making one operation feasible. In terms of aesthetic, the M10 Mark IV pays homage to the design ethos of smaller cameras from yesterday years. Its black and silver color scheme recalls the iconic Olympus 35mm film camera, a globally recognized classic. The M Mark X follows suit. We believe this stylistic choice adds a touch of nostalgia. One standout feature: the adjustable rear screen, which can be extended, tilted, and swiveled. This versatile design is particularly beneficial for travel photographers, content creators, and anyone frequently from higher low angles. A revamped autofocus system promises improved tracking of moving subjects, while the 20-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor substantially enhances overall image quality. Additionally, the inclusion of 5-axis image stabilization is a boon for vloggers. The N10 Mark IV offers a seamless user experience right from taking mere seconds to power up. While not the fastest startup time, it's sufficiently swift for standard usage. The clarity and resolution of tilting screen are commendable, providing accurate previews of your shots, navigating through the system screen as simple as pressing the info button, offering intuitive and friendly interface. Camera's autofocus performance competitive within its class, reliably tracking movement within reasonable range with a shooting speed of 15 frames per second and fast mode. The N10 Mark IV excels at capturing fleeting moments, ideal for street
and wildlife
photography.
Quick autofocus
combined with its accessible controls
and portable design
makes this camera
excellent
an
companion
for on-the-go
photography.
Equipped
The
to
compact
lightweight
1442mm lens,
the N10 Mark IV
can easily
in
fit
a backpacker pocket.
This portability,
coupled with its
ease of use,
makes it an
appealing upgrade
for smartphone
photographers.
all in all, the Olympus
Home DE
10
Mark
for stands
out as a worthy
investment in 2023.
Overall, this
delivers top level
performance
at an unbeatable price.
quality ratio.
You want it,
best, you got it.
so that's it
For the top
5 travel cameras in 2023.
Like, comment,
and subscribe
to receive
notifications
our
about
latest video.